Did you know that a common kitchen herb, oregano, could boost your immune system, fight infections, and even help reduce stress? It's true. Oregano isn't just for adding flavor to your dishes. It's a natural powerhouse packed with health benefits. Hi everyone, welcome back to Calwayne Health TV YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, we request you to like and subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Today, we're diving into the amazing health secrets of oregano. This humble herb has been used for centuries, but most of us only think of it as a seasoning for pizza or pasta. Get ready to be amazed by the powerful benefits this herb has to offer. Most people don't realize that herbs, especially oregano, are far more than flavor enhancers. Think about it. We've got this herb in our kitchens, but how often do we actually think about its health properties? There's a common misconception that herbs like oregano are just garnishes. We add them to meals for taste, but very few of us are aware of the incredible health benefits locked within these tiny leaves. In fact, oregano is one of the most medicinally powerful herbs, yet it's often overlooked. Let's explore some of the incredible health benefits of oregano. First off, oregano is packed with antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Oregano also has antibacterial properties. Research shows that the essential oils in oregano, particularly carvacrol and thymol, can fight off harmful bacteria like E. coli and staphylococcus. This makes it a natural choice for supporting a strong immune system. And that's not all. Oregano has anti-inflammatory effects, which means it can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is especially beneficial for those dealing with chronic pain or conditions like arthritis. A simple cup of oregano tea can work wonders. Now, here's the part that might surprise you the most. Oregano could be a powerful ally in the fight against viruses. A recent scientific study found that oregano oil has antiviral properties that may help combat infections like the flu and even the common cold. I'll share something personal. Whenever I feel a cold coming on, I add a few drops of oregano oil to water and drink it. It's an age-old remedy that's surprisingly effective. I swear by it to boost my immune system and stop a cold in its tracks. Plus, it's easy to incorporate oregano into your daily life. Whether it's in meals, teas, or even as an essential oil, this herb is a must-have in both your kitchen and medicine cabinet. So what did we learn today? Oregano isn't just a seasoning, it's a super herb. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to its antibacterial and even antiviral benefits, oregano is a natural solution to help you stay healthy and energized. I'd love to hear how you use oregano in your daily routine. Share your experiences in the comments below, and if you're interested in more natural health tips, be sure to check out my other videos. There's a lot more to explore. Thanks for watching, and remember, the secrets to better health are often right in front of us. See you in the next video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Calwayne Health TV.